Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel. This casting is by Auto World. It's in 1:64 scale. It has some nice details, quirky details on the car too. So I'm going to show you that first before we move to the casting. One thing I noticed, which I've never seen on a diecast before, they mentioned the paint code here. If you look, PDN ceramic gray, they mentioned the paint code. It also says it's for 6-year plus premium series. Mentions the name on the side and says it's true 1:64. You can see, so it says premium facts. This is the first release of our new 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel. The Lunar Edition pays homage to lunar exploration and more details. And also it mentions that it's a die-cast metal body chassis, rubber tires, an opening hood, muscle trucks. So you know what the details are on this one. Now let's open it up and see how the actual casting looks like. So here's the 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel. As the package says, finished in ceramic gray. It's 1:64, so it's much bigger than normal Hot Wheels or Matchbox car. Looks good. You can see some nice details. So let's start from the front. So the front, you got some good details. You got detailed headlamp, you got the Ram badge, the grill, tow hooks, a bumper with fog lamps. It has an opening hood, which we'll be seeing at the end of the casting. You also have nice detailed hood with this vent, Ram badges, and then you've got the Rebel badge on the hood with this sticker job. Windshield again gets both the windshield wipers, both the mirrors, has a black finish around it, which looks good, like you see on the actual truck. Now coming to the driver's side. On the driver's side again, there are some nice details. You got the painted door handles, the ABC pillars are painted black. You also got the rubber tires with those nice looking blackout wheels. Tires also, you can see it has the Goodyear tires. You got that painted there, which looks good. Black flares, I would say, just like you see on the actual truck. Ram badge, and it's blacked out. You got stickers on the bed reading Rebel here. Fuselage on the driver's side. Mirrors also have a finish on them, kind of silver paint to reflect, I guess. Coming to the rear, again good details on the rear. You can see it has got the Ram logo or Ram badge back there. Tailgate handles is detailed. You got 4x4 badge. You also get a Rebel badge. Bumper finished in black with twin exhaust coming from the bottom, and the number plate says the Noon. That's the Lunar Edition, right? The Moon, sorry, not the Noon. The Moon. It's the Lunar Edition. That's why. Tail lamp again is also nicely detailed, and you can also see the rear window, which has an opening window in there, sliding windows. You got that. You got the Chimsel or stop lamp, again with details there. Shark net on the roof. No sunroof here. The tailgate opens up, goes down, and you can see that bed is finished in black, just like how you see on the actual truck. And they also have included those small details on the wheel arches. So if you see the trucks these days, the Rams, they have that, so you can slot a piece of wood there, so you can have a kind of partition, or if you want to put something higher top, you can do that. So yeah, so they have included that detail too, which is always good to have. Now, on the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler on this side, and the base is finished in black, has got some good details. The Auto World logo there. Nice details on the base. You can also see the spare wheel there. So got a bunch of good details on the base too. Now let me just open up the hood and show you the engine bay. So here's the engine bay. It has some details here, but they're not painted or anything, but you can still see the engine cover, the engine, actual engine, and some batteries. So some good details there too under the hood. And the interior is finished in a shade of gray. Look closely, you can see that. There are some details. Here the seat and steering wheel, which Looks very close to what you will see on the real truck. So overall, I think it's a very nice looking casting, and these don't come with suspension unlike some castings, but still they look really good, have good details on them, and I think very nice casting for Ram trucks. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.